My name is Scott Freilich. I'm Vice President of TEMA Roofing Services. So in this project, we're working with the Bricklayers Local 5. They're out of Cleveland, Ohio. So my role in this particular project was the main point of contact, really. I was there working with them from the initial phone call all the way through to our last client meeting.
I was looking through the construction blue book and found TEMA. I called Scott. He called back within 15 minutes after I sent him an email, and that was it.
So the client's existing roof system was 2 buildings. Both of them had shingle roof systems that had met the life expectancy on both roofs. And they had leaks essentially all over for many years. So they knew that there was a problem. So they had approached us and wanted to come up with different ideas on how to replace this existing roof and also make certain that it would be watertight for many years to come.
As we are a union contractor, we stay with unions, and TEMA seemed like the right fit for us. We talked to the renters when we first purchased the building, and the renters' biggest problems were leaks in the roofs. Some of the biggest problems were there was round dormers on several of these buildings, which we talked about, and we ended up getting those taken out and went with no dormers and just a flat roof.
So the scope of the project was to recover their existing shingle roof system by putting a new standing seam metal roof over top that existing shingle roof system.
One of the key elements when purchasing this building was obviously the roof. Okay, we were getting leaks. Having purchased a property that already had tenants in place, we wanted to get those problems resolved for them as soon as possible. They're a very union-based company, as we are. They really put you at ease when you first meet up with them, okay? They come in, they explain the whole process, give you every benefit of the process itself.
So in part of the design process, we also decided as a team to remove the dormers on both buildings. The dormers were a major headache and a major point of leak areas in both buildings. So by removing the dormers altogether, we're able to create one surface that really helped a lot when we were installing the metal roof panels to give it a seamless look aesthetically, but also to avoid those potential roof leak areas in the future.
So we chose the metal over the shingle system on the roofing itself for a number of factors. One was the look, the overall appearance of the building itself, and adding value to the building as well with the material.
So the benefits of the metal over shingle system are many things. One, the longevity of the roof system itself. Environmentally, that's huge. We went over the existing shingles, so we're not putting that into a landfill.
We chose a metal over shingle system because Scott told us it would be pretty much maintenance-free, last 20 years, forever, and the appearance of the building, it looks 100% better.
TEMA is a design build contractor. So by being a design build contractor, TEMA was able to expedite that process. We were able to work with the client directly and come to a cost savings approach in putting together a recommendation that was agreed to by both parties.
Throughout the process, TEMA has been really good working with us. Very professional. Their workers been very professional.
Because they chose to work with TEMA Roofing in using our design build method, we were able to get this project complete inside 6 months. And we also worked during the winter months. Had they have gone the traditional request for proposal, design, bid build process, this potentially could have been anywhere from 9 to 12 months long.
I thought the winter would set and they wouldn't be able to finish it, but they got it done, like I said, ahead of schedule. We were all shocked, happy.
TEMA Roofing did a very good job with its overall production of the entire project. They finished about 2 to 3 months ahead of schedule. And as far as addressing any concerns that we may have had, they pretty much addressed them all. One of our key concerns was the fact that the buildings were already rented, so we had occupants in both locations. They were very good in completing one building, cleaning up the entire area, and then proceeding on to the next.
So the relationship between our teams is outstanding. We really enjoyed working together. I think our personalities really meshed well with what they were looking for. Up front, we talked about those expectations to make certain that our communication was consistent and that they were getting the information that they needed in a timely way. And if they were to need to reach us, we were accessible to them 24/7.
My experience with TEMA is good. Like I said, every time you called them, they called right back, took care of any problems that arise. I would recommend TEMA 100%.
Like I said, we're all union. We believe in unions. We believe in working with professional teams, and we feel that TEMA was a perfect fit for the Bricklayers Local 5. We hope that we have a continued relationship throughout the years with TEMA and the Bricklayers.